What's going on, guys? Angelo here. Today I'm going to be giving you all my first impressions of a product by Minamul. They reached out to me to check out one of their new products, which is the Konjac color sponges, and this is the teardrop shaped 6-pack. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I actually really like the packaging that it comes in. Obviously the package is super light. It's basically like air because of how light the sponges are. But once you put water in it, it does get a little bit heavier, but you're not actually putting the water in the actual package itself. I was just saying though that when it does ship, it's pretty light, so you shouldn't have to worry about paying like an extra fee or anything. Now, as I tear this package open, I just want to go ahead and let you all know what a Konjac sponge really is. They basically help exfoliate and revitalize your skin. It really makes it look cleaner, and it's also really great for sensitive skin, and it can be used daily. Another plus with the ones by Minamul is that these ones are going to last 2 months, and because this is a 6-pack, that means you're basically getting a year's supply. But they did send this one out for me to review, so shout out to Minamul for sponsoring this video. Now, pricing for this doesn't run too high, as it's going to be about probably $11 after tax, and it is usually going to be free shipping. And if you have Prime, obviously it's free shipping either way. Now, as I tear open the bag, I'll go ahead and let you all know the colors that they offer. This white one that you see here is going to be called a pure Konjac. This darker yellow one that you're seeing is called turmeric. This green one is called green tea, which I really like the name for that one, and it does look like green tea, honestly. One thing that I wanted to point out is that it does come with this little string handle, so you can hang it up onto like your door or wherever you need to. That way it can air dry. The next color that you're seeing is French red clay. This other one has a similar color. It's called pink clay. It looks kind of like the French red clay, but it's basically just a lighter version, but it does look pink. And this last one that you're seeing is called charcoal. I think this one fits the name honestly perfectly. I am going to do a quick demonstration of the product just to let you all see how it works and everything, but we'll go ahead and go over the instructions first. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is get a bowl or a cup of warm water and go ahead and soak your sponge in there for 3 to 5 minutes. For best results, be sure to soak this thoroughly. The next thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is squeeze out the sponge and go ahead and wipe your face in a circular motion. This third step is if you have a cleanser, you can go ahead and put a smaller amount of the cleanser on. That way you actually don't have to waste as much because you don't need as much for this sponge. Then you're going to go ahead and rub that into the sponge, and after that you're going to go ahead and proceed by doing another circular motion with the face, and then you can go ahead and rinse your face out. Once you're done rinsing and wiping your face off, you can go ahead and clean out the sponge one last time. You can then hang the sponge on a washcloth rack or wherever you please, and go ahead and pour out the remaining water from the bowl, and there you have it. Okay, so overall, I must say I really do like that Konjac sponge. That one's better than the other one that they have. They have a bunch of them. I'll leave all of them in the link description below, but this is their newest one, this teardrop one that has the colors with it, which I think is more fun. That you have different colors and whatnot. I think that's really cool. Overall, the product works really well though. It does take a little bit longer to get like the suds out if you're using like some cleanser, but honestly, it's not that bad. Just use hot water and it should be out in like 2 to 3 minutes. I will say though, my face feels really good. It feels rejuvenated. It feels smooth. Honestly, I regret not getting these beforehand. I honestly forgot how great they are. I used to have one, but the problem was that it basically just expired out. I just couldn't use it anymore because I just didn't buy another one. But now that I have a whole 6-pack of these, I'm definitely going to make use of them because that's a year's supply for only basically like $8. And that's a solid deal. And I'm talking about that's with shipping included. If you have Prime, it's basically going to be $8. So if you don't have Prime, though, it might be like maybe $10 or something, which is still not bad. A whole year's supply of just Konjac sponges, that's pretty cool. I think they're a nice size. They fit in the palm of my hand well. It fell off a couple times, but the extra string actually kind of helps as a handle. So that was a plus as well. But this is just my first impressions. I'm going to have a full review coming out really soon. So please stay tuned to the channel for more content like this. I'd really love to hear what a woman's perspective is on this because I think it would be interesting as well. But I know you all want to probably hear this from a guy too, but I really do like the product and I'm definitely going to buy this again in the future. But now that I have this full supply of them, I'll hold off for a little bit. Once again, if you want to purchase this product, it will be in the link in the description below. Thank you, Minamul, for reaching out to me to review this product. I really enjoy working with you all. I love your products. They're a small business, but they're an awesome business, and that's what I love to see. And if you want to see more content like this, all you have to do is give this video a thumbs up and share this on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Also, if you want to join the O Squad, it is free. All you have to do is click the subscribe button and just enable push notifications to stay up to date with everything that's happening on the channel. Until next time, peace out.